All right, man, here go another slight video. Y'all see, I don't know if y'all see the sky. It's super smoky out here. It's a fire in California that's pretty much crossing over into Nevada. Not the fire, but just the smoke itself. Y'all see the thumbnail, y'all see the title, man. Somebody about to be in the Hellcat. I mean, not the Hellcat, man, you know what I'm saying? Big Redeye, you know what I'm saying? I did put this car on TURO. Now, if you follow the channel, you see I got some TURO videos up. You see I got some TURO cars. Now, this is my personal car. I don't plan to have this rented out on TURO. What happened was, I was talking to my boy, C-Wheel, got a wide body Hellcat Charger, and he does TURO, and he got his Hellcat on TURO. Now, we was talking back and forth, and I was like, man, I can't have nobody in my shit, you know what I'm saying? But for the right price, they actually can drive it. Mind you, the person that's paying the price of the car, you know, they willing to spend that much. I don't expect them to be fucking crazy. So you go check the description right now, or after this video, go check the Hellcat out. It's definitely on TURO. It's listed at a high price, you know what I'm saying? So I don't expect this car to actually get booked, but if it does get booked, they only gonna probably keep it for 1 or 2 days. I am about to wash it off. You see, super dirty, got that brake dust all over the rim. Let me just show y'all right now. Did just vacuum the car out, so all I gotta do is wipe it down the inside, and I believe y'all see right there, man, the car only got 7,200 miles. Going to give him a red key. I'm about to wash it down. Going to deliver it later at 12 o'clock. Right now it's what is that, 9 o'clock? So about to wash it down. See, big Redeye, man, all cleaned up right now. Hey, for any TURO, make sure you take all your pictures, 100+ pictures. Get your rims, get all on your rims, your tires, inside out. You want to get like splitter, all the bumper, all that, get it from all angles, like here, down here. So got the car all cleaned up, about to upload these pictures. It's basically 12 o'clock. I'm right across the street from where I'm meeting the guy at. Just filled the tank up. You see, 7,210 miles, full tank, man. About to drop the big Redeye off, man. About to see how this go. Sheesh. Hey, if you know, you know. If you see my last videos, just know this Hellcat ain't going nowhere that I don't know where it's going, man. This Hellcat ain't going no speed that I don't know that it's not going. You see what I'm saying? Redeye chipped up, man. We gonna know everything it's doing. If it get crazy, hey, you know, I track it down and pull up. That's why they give you extra keys, man. Anyway, about to drop the car off, man. Shoo! Well, y'all see it. Do the plates on there real quick too, man. Boy, out of here. Y'all see, man, got the Redeye back. You know what I'm saying? Big 400. I did ride up there to meet him to get my key back. I left the car and I went back and got it. It's a whole new day. Y'all see feet, man. Where it was. Now a lot of y'all probably wondering, like, why would you rent out your Hellcat? I would never rent out my Hellcat. It wasn't really a big deal for me. If you don't know, I rarely drive the car, and the amount that I put it up there for, like, if somebody rented for that amount, then that's cool with me. They could use it for 1 day, and I doubt they do it too because it's so high. If you want to see how much I got this listed for now, you know, check out the link in the description. Y'all see. But he brought the car back. He only drove 178 miles, 173 or 178. That ain't, you know, that ain't much. You know, he just drove around Vegas, brought the car back full on gas. Car is clean on the inside, no damage at all. You know, I obviously got the obvious, like, you know, some people step on this when they step in, but car is clean, man. I was a little bit paranoid, I ain't gonna lie. Like I say, this is my personal car. If you don't know, I got 3 other cars on the platform that are strictly for TURO. But like I say, if somebody rent this one out for the price that I got it for, that's cool with me. If you haven't already, go check out my other TURO videos if you're interested and want to learn more about TURO. I got videos on that, just basically showing y'all, got the car back 100%, nothing wrong with it. I walked around, no dents, no dings, no scratches, no burnouts. You know, the inside clean, no tears, no stains. Perfect, man. Easy money for somebody to use the car for 24 hours, but not even 24, because they gotta go to sleep. They gotta, you know what I'm saying, everybody gotta drive the car for 24 hours straight. Easy money. Just basically showing y'all, got the car back. Got way more videos coming. Got my first month with TURO coming. I'm gonna show y'all how I manage my whole fleet, because now I got 3 cars on there. I'm not gonna count this one, and give you a whole rundown on that, so stay tuned for that. Definitely got way more Redeye videos coming. Got more ATVs coming, man. More ATV videos coming, so y'all stay tuned for that as well, man. Anyway, I'm out.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.